Have you ever wondered how Ukpaka is being made or how the seed of Ukpaka looks like? So guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make Ukpaka from scratch. Many of you love to eat Ukpaka, but you don't know how to make it. I'm going to be using my food processor to cook this Ukpaka. So if you don't have food processor, please don't try this with your cooker because it takes a lot of time to cook. But with the food processor, it's ready within 10 minutes. So I cook it for about 10 minutes, guys. Allow it to cool down. This is how it looks. The seed is already soft. So I'm just going to keep it aside, allow it to cool down a bit. Then I am going to open the seed just like this. So this is how Ukpaka looks like inside of it. Ukpaka is really healthy in the body. You can use it to do abacha. You can use it to cook black beans. A lot of people love to eat Ukpaka, but they don't know how it's being made. So guys, as you can see, I am trying to remove the back of it from the main Ukpaka itself. Once I'm done removing it like this, next I'm going to use my knife to slice it. One thing about this Ukpaka, it takes time to prepare, and that is why it is really expensive. If you go to buy it in the market, small thing they will sell for you, they will sell it for about 500 to 1000 naira. So guys, as you can see, I opened the Ukpaka into two like this, and then I'm going to use my knife to slice it. Although I am not professional when it comes to slicing Ukpaka, you can see I am slicing it a little bit bigger than the ones you buy in the market, but no problem, we move. So I will continue to slice it like this until I slice it all. This thing take time to make and it has a lot of process on it. So once I'm done slicing it like this, next I'm going to be putting it back in the pot to cook for another 20 minutes. The reason why I am cooking it again is because the Ukpaka is still very bitter. So you need to cook it again and then set it aside, allow it to stay overnight before you wash it out. As you can see, I cooked it for about 20 minutes. Guys, look how the water is. The water is very dark. So I'm going to sieve it out, wash it again neatly, and then this time around I'm going to put it in the bag, keep it aside, allow it to ferment. If it's in Nigeria, fermenting Ukpaka is very easy. Just keep it aside, cover it for 2 days, and then that is it. But here in the UK, even you tie yourself for 7 days, you know, go still ferment because of the weather condition. But I'm still going to try to ferment it, or else I'm just going to wash it like this and then store it in my freezer. So next I'm going to transfer it into this bag. I'll leave it outside for about 4 days. If you know ferment, we move. I'm going to store it in the freezer like that. So this is how Ukpaka is being made. So I hope you've learned something today. Thank you so much for watching. If this video is interesting, help me to share it to other people. Bye.